tube to. Sulitin nyo na.
Tri-Cough, ubong walang ilabas. Masakit, parang kinadena ang dibdib. You need maximum strength Alarin. Alarin increases the needed bronchial fluids to stop Tri-Cough. Alarin, maximum strength to stop Tri-Cough.
It's so nice to be here in New Zealand. The air is so fresh. The water's so clean. The cows in New Zealand eat fresh green grass, and their milk becomes Anchor milk. Alisa!
I love you, Mom.
Anchor milk, pure and fresh from New Zealand. Anchor milk guaranteed by New Zealand Dairy Board.
Handog ng BIR.
Lalong pinalaki. Humingi ng resibo, milyon-milyon ang panalo. Napakadaling sumali. Hingin lamang ang resibo ng pinamili, isulat sa likod ang pangalan, address, pirmahan at ihulog sa drop box. Ang laki ng papremyo. At sa National Grand Draw, pwedeng manalo ng 3 milyong piso. Humingi ng resibo, milyon-milyon ang panalo. Sali na!
Isang proyekto ng BIR, KBP, PIA at ng himpilang ito.
Watch. Watch. Watch out. Citizen. Watch. Watch out. Citizen. Watch out. Watch out. Citizen. Look. Watch. Watch out. Watch out. Citizen. Watch. Watch out. Watch out. Citizen. Watch.
Napakadali nating lumimot. Ipinaglaban ng kalayaan, pero nakalimutang pangalagaan. Minana ang yaman ng bayan, pero nakaligta ang pantayan. Marami sanang natutunan, pero bihirang isalang-alang. Hindi lahat ng bago ay nararapat yakapin. Ang simple at payak, di dapat limutin.
Ang programang
Each time you prepare baby's food at home, you strip away some vital nutrients and slash off some vitamins. This could lead to malnutrition. Give her Gerber. Gerber's unique nature-locked process seals in nutrients, so her food's always fresh, safe, and nutritious. Give your baby better nutrition. Trust only Gerber.
Feel the all-American comfort of Hanes. Hanes t-shirts and briefs. Hanes Her Way. Hanes sports shirts. Life is more comfortable in Hanes. Wake up to a new taste. The crispy cornflake that Nestle makes. More crispy, more delicious. It's one great flake, nutritious. Always tasty, not just any flake. It's one great flake. May gaganda pa ba ang buhok mo?
Of course, sa Rejoice. Lalaban na shampoo ko dyan.
Mag-shampoo para malaman. Subukan sa wet hair.
Galing suklayin, no? Tingnan mo, mas madaling suklayin to. Wow!
After drying.
Ang dulas ng buhok ko. Sa akin, kahit fine tooth comb pa, mas madulas. Ang lambot pa. Ang ganda pa ng bagsak, ha? Bagong Rejoice? Kaya pala. Mas mabango pa. Dito na ako talaga.
Bagong Rejoice. Bagong design.
Buhok mo, may igaganda pa.
Walang kasing gandang bagsak sa new winning Rejoice.
No matter how fast life gets, you can always feel refreshed. Experience Palmolive Botanical Shampoo. A blend of flowers and herbs in natural spring water. Palmolive Botanical leaves both you and your hair so refreshed, the feeling stays with you wherever you go. Palmolive Botanical Shampoo. Feel refreshed naturally.
Tuloy-tuloy na tulog. Sabi ng Dr. ni Cal, iyan ang higit na kailangan niya to help his brain development. So I make sure na tuloy-tuloy ang tulog niya with Pampers Baby Dry. Dati, putol-putol ang tulog niya. Basa kasi agad sa dati niyang diaper. Sa Pampers, kahit gaano kadiin, dry pa rin. Dahil tuloy-tuloy ang tulog ni Cal, laking tuwa ako sa bilis ng kanyang brain development. Smart ng baby ko.
With Pampers, your baby is one step ahead.
Remember the old days? Oh, the disadvantages of Philip Morris 100s. But now, those days are over. Oh, well, with Philip Morris 100s, a little practice goes a long, long way.
Kay was a standout singer, loved her voice, and her hair.
She uses Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo for dry, flyaway hair. Sunsilk has fruitamins blended with Nutrilife Complex, so hair is nourished.
When she became a recording artist, her hair was softer and smoother. I knew she'd be a star.
Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo para sa buhok na paganda ng paganda. From Unilever.
Mas malapot yung aksyon, kitang-kita naman. May concentrated siyang galing. Sulit ang gastos mo. Mas mabisa at saka tumatagal. Yung marami siyang nahugasan.
New Ultra Action Liquid, the grease stripper.
Kauna-unahan sa Pilipinas. Manila Broadcasting Company. DZRH. Member, kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.